Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Windows Media Player because that's where the history settings live. Press Alt if you don't see the menu, then choose Tools, Options, and Open Privacy. You want to disable any checkboxes that save file or URL history. This prevents new entries. Once done, click the Clear History button to remove the recent list immediately. Doing this first stops more data from being recorded while you perform deeper cleanup and explains why we act now, preventing repopulation. Now you'll remove the library database that stores detailed history. Close Windows Media Player so files aren't locked, then open File Explorer and go to %localappdata %Microsoft /Media Player. You should back up the current database *. WMDB files by renaming or moving them, then delete the originals. When you restart the player, it will rebuild an empty database. Make sure to back up first because this step permanently removes stored entries and forces a fresh library rebuild. Finish by reopening Windows Media Player and verifying that recent files and playlists are cleared. The player should show a freshly rebuilt library. If you want history off, leave the privacy options unchecked. If you want the library rebuilt, re-add your media folders so the player scans them anew. If history reappears, run the player as administrator and repeat the file deletion step or check that the media player folder's permissions allow deletion. This troubleshooting tip fixes most permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.